Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need to stop renders now, so open your project and act. First, disable background render from Final Cut Pro preferences, playback so new renders won't start automatically. Once done, cancel any active jobs by selecting Window Background Tasks and clicking the Stop X on each task. Make sure to save the project before proceeding so you don't lose changes. This prevents automatic render creation and gives you control over when and what the app renders next. Next, remove the render files that are consuming CPU and disk space. Select the project or event and choose File Delete Generated Project Files. In the dialog, check Render Files and optionally Optimized and Proxy Media if you want a full cleanup, then confirm Delete. This forces Final Cut Pro to stop referencing outdated renders and freeze space. Once the files are gone, the timeline won't attempt to play pre-rendered clips, and you can work without hidden render processes restarting in the background. Now finalize control to prevent renders from restarting. Revisit preferences, playback to ensure background render is off, and import to stop creating optimized media automatically. If render tasks still appear, quit Final Cut Pro and restart your Mac to clear hung processes. If problems persist, reset Final Cut Pro preferences by holding Option Command while launching, and rebuild the library. Right-click the library, delete generated library files, and recreate proxies or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.